Hello friends, welcome to my channel Genexsta. Today at the Legal Corner, I'll not discuss about the important legal topics of our country. Today I'm going to send a message to all of you regarding the general essence of being a lawyer. See, a lawyer is the officer of the court. He will fight for a client till the very end. He will give his 100%. But a lawyer cannot give guarantee to a client that he will win this case for him, because to do that will be fooling the client. Just like a doctor cannot guarantee his patient that after the operation he will live, like that only a lawyer cannot give guarantee to his client that after the case he will win this case. Now, a lawyer's advice can go wrong because lawyers give advice on the basis of some perceptions, but it can go wrong if the situation changes. So one cannot penalize a lawyer for giving wrong advice. Why I am saying so? Because recently Honorable Supreme Court has stated that there was a case of this Vijaya Bank where a bank suffered huge losses just because of a bad advice from a lawyer. So the CBI plea was that penalize the lawyer, but the top court held that liability against an opinion, liability against an opining advocate arises only when the lawyer was an active participant in a plan to defraud the bank. Because a lawyer cannot be prosecuted for giving wrong advice to a bank unless there was proof to show that he was part of a conspiracy to defraud the bank. A lawyer cannot be prosecuted for giving wrong advice. That's the thing. Maybe he gave an advice on the basis of some perception, but situation changed later, so there is no hand of a lawyer in a future occurrences. So to penalize a lawyer is not the correct thing. A client should be aware of the situation and should give proper information to a lawyer. Sometimes this happens that a client gives wrong information, and on the basis of that a lawyer gives an advice and which turns out to be not suitable for the client. So here the client is responsible. Supreme Court also held that at the most the lawyer may be liable for gross negligence or professional misconduct if it can be established by acceptable evidence. So there is this precedence that a lawyer cannot be penalized for giving wrong advice. So this was the message. Hope you guys understood it. If you have any query, you can write it down on the comments below, or you can contact me on my number, which is given below. Take care. Goodbye.